This wall-mounted armoire organizer serves as a full-length mirror and jewelry cabinet with 6 LED lights, perfect for your daily dressing routine. Featuring a sleek and modern design, this jewelry cabinet mirror adds a touch of elegance to any room, keeping your valuables organized and easily accessible. Designed for convenience and style, this bathroom vanity combo is a must-have for those who seek both functionality and aesthetic appeal in their home decor.
This elegant wall-mounted jewelry cabinet is not just a mirror, but also a perfect organizer for your precious items. It enhances the decor of your bathroom. Featuring 2 drawers, this jewelry cabinet offers ample storage space for your accessories. Keep your items neatly organized and easily accessible. This tall lockable mirror jewelry cabinet ensures the security of your valuables. The lock mechanism provides peace of mind while keeping your items safe.